Thinking about working in Europe, 2025 might just be the year to take that leap. European countries are facing labor shortages and opening doors to foreign workers with great pay, benefits, and long term settlement options. Here are the top 5 European countries that are actively hiring expats and how Fairmont Immigration Consultants can help you get there. Number 1 is Slovakia. Slovakia is rising fast as a top destination for foreign workers. It's part of the EU and Schengen area, meaning once you are working there, you can travel across most of the Europe freely. And jobs are booming in logistics, manufacturing, textile, and building sectors. For example, international truck drivers can earn up to 3,000 euros per month, and textile factory workers get a free accommodation, meal allowance, and 1 to 2 year contracts. It's an ideal choice for those who want a stable job with a path to EU mobility. Number 2 is Poland. Poland has one of the most structured job markets for foreign workers. Industries like warehouse operations, construction, food processing, and agriculture are hiring consistently. Salaries range from 800 to 1500 euros per month with legal contracts, social benefits, and often subsidized accommodation. Poland also allows visa extensions and family reunifications over time. Number 3 is Germany. Germany remains the economic powerhouse of Europe and is in urgent need for foreign talent. Sectors like nursing, IT, engineering, and skilled trades offer high-paying jobs with long-term visa options. The EU Blue Card makes it easier for skilled professionals to settle permanently. Although language is a plus, many companies now accept English-speaking candidates and offer language support programs. Germany is ideal for those looking for both career growth and permanent residency. Now next up is Hungary. Hungary is actively hiring in the automotive and electronic sectors as well as warehouse and logistics. It offers an affordable cost of living and is known for processing work permits faster than many other EU countries. If you are looking for entry-level jobs that still offer good pay and EU exposure, Hungary is a very practical option, and Fairmont has helped many candidates reach successfully. And number 5 is Romania. Romania is becoming a hot spot for jobs in hospitality, cleaning, construction, and factory work. Employers are now offering work permits, accommodation, and travel support. The cost of living is low and expats enjoy a growing community there. It's a smart starting point for younger workers or those with limited experience. Final word, why choose Fairmont Immigration? If you are serious about working in Europe, the opportunity is here. But the process must be legal and guided. That's where Fairmont Immigration Consultant in Dubai comes in. We help you choose the right country, process your visa, handle documentation, and even arrange accommodation. Our success stories speak for themselves.